Hi, my name's Adam Kahle. I'm a Business Analytics and Entrepreneurship double major at Miami University. I'm at Ultimate Toys as a digital marketing intern. Ultimate Toys is a company that sells luxury Sprinter vans. So think about the vans you see every day, but then with a private jet interior. So they sell to a lot of celebrities and really cool, interesting people. I am first and foremost working with the digital marketing team to do everything from Google Analytics to Adobe Creative Suite, creating advertisements and pieces of media, and then measuring their attribution, following the customer journey, and really looking at what of our actions cause the most impact for the company. I am part of the Altman Internship program at Miami, which comes out of the entrepreneurship department, and it serves as a prep class for students. And one of the professors there, Mark Lacker, he actually taught Josh Green, the CEO, a few years ago. Josh has really served as a lighthouse for me since I've started my internship here. Miami helped me find myself as a person, understand what I'm really interested in, and what I want my future to look like. It connected me to some amazing opportunities. Being here at Ultimate Toys, I've had the opportunity to sit down with a lot of the leadership team members and understand at a bigger level how everything at Ultimate Toys connects. So whether I take a more analytical route or creative route through business analytics and entrepreneurship, I know that understanding of how everything connects is going to make me stand out